What's up, party people? I'm just here at the Mexico City airport. Thought I'd share to you guys one of my quirky vlogs that happened just a month ago with some of my good friends, so I hope you guys enjoy it. How's it going, party? What time is it? 7?
It's too early o'clock.
We were supposed to wake up at 6. We're gonna go for a run. This is a practice of discipline. We will be right back. Right. A lot of things happening today.
2 hours later.
So we just finished jogging. Guess who I picked up from the train station? Ta-da! How's it going, my Nelly? Oh, who's that? Oh, Dimples. Oh my god. Oh, swag. What are we doing today?
I do not know, but first you need to bang.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that too. She's the boss. We're gonna go hiking today. This guy just woke up. It's his second last day here in Vancouver. That's also my dance director. I've known this guy for many years. I've lost count. He doesn't even actually give a but it's all good. Alright, so we're just getting some energy boosters. And how much have you had to drink yesterday? He's doing this hike with me. Oh my god. Inspiration at its finest.
I got it.
Yeah, he's got this. Bro, what is this? It's a Batmobile. What?
Real?
This is real, man. This is real.
I think this is the first time ever that I have you in the passenger seat. You used to drive me all the time because you were the...
That is so true. I was the DD, and you always asked me to drink still.
Yeah. Well, I mean, like,
We have arrived at Grouse Mountain. And this is gonna be their first time hiking. So how you feeling?
Nervous, man.
You hate me, I know. I'm sorry. Let's get to it. Before he's dead.
Alright, ready? 2, 3.
Before he's dead. Never seen the mountain this dark and edgy and misty before. But it's nice though, there's not a lot of people. Actually, there's no one hiking right now. Quite odd. Because usually there's a lot of people. Empty.
I love it.
Yeah. No one's behind us, no one's in front of us. The fact that I've hiked with this heavy camera before, but this time it's heavier just because there's a mic. It's a challenge.
Many months later.
We haven't gotten past our first quarter yet. Yo, good job you guys. That was a quarter. That was a quarter. 3 more of those. Yeah. How does it feel?
What did I do to deserve this?
Tomorrow.
Oh man.
Done.
I don't know if I'm going, man.
Are you still hungover?
I still smell Canadian Club.
Oh my god.
I smell. Yeah, I smell like scotch.
What? GG? Grouse grind. Not good game, Angel.
So mad.
Dinner and steak, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's a crib with a gate. Rolly got charms, a life frosted place. Hard to let these bitches know, just in case these hoes fuck.
Yeah! Vlog fam, we did it! Did it. This is like my 5th time. First things first, cheesecake. Cheesecake.
Yeah. Show off.
Cheesecake. And then back to fit fam.
This is how it should feel every time after rehearsal.
Yeah. And the views right now are spectacular. It's like my 5th time hiking this. It felt different for some reason.
Just woke up.
And well, them being hungover, drinking all night. Do it for the vlog. 10-pound slider?
Yeah. Make it 15.
back to our Batmobile. Shannon. How was it? How was it?
You know what, man? It was worth it. It was a good experience.
I've never taken my shirt off in public, ever, but that was good enough to make me do it, so.
Alright, Sweat Fam, going back home. I got some plans for tonight.
Later.
We're back home. We are prepping for the night market, and Maneli's getting her 50 shades of makeup. I've never been to the night market here before. I didn't even know such thing existed. Because my night market version is this. Views. It's hard to say continuously. Views. Lobby. Going down. Sugar, we're going down, swinging. And being God complex, cock it and pull it.
The thing goes.
We have arrived at the night. I don't know what to expect.
I like my shit uncooked, I like my shit just raw. Everything that you thought I wrote, I just thought. I be coming off the top, that is my talk.
Has anyone seen Rolo? Wow, Nax naman. We need the most vital thing right now in my system. I see what my tummy wants. Party people, how's it going, party people? Hey! It's so crazy. Party people, what's up?
Break it up.
Okay, I want that, but I wanted that too. But I want that. No, I want that. But so little, so many of them, so little time.
Coochie down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa. Keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. But when it out, she a silly hoe. Cause she know the Ferg style getting plenty dough. She don't get nothing from my nigga down. Once she get it.
I think this is Hunger Games at its finest. I pretty much stuffed myself at the night market. I didn't get to shoot any of the other stuff that I ate. I only have 2 hands and I'm not like the guy from Mortal Kombat.